there are three types of market. So one is the ranging market that I've shown you, this one that is here. Then you have a trending market. So in the trending, there are two to make it the three. You have an uptrend and a downtrend. Okay. So let me show you what I mean. You see, this is the type of market you trade. This one that you are seeing here.
Okay.
Now, this is the type that I like. You see, from here, it came down and then go up, but could not reach this high point. Then it came down and broke this lower point and came down here. You get that?
Yes.
Tried going up, it could not reach this high point. Then it broke this lower point and came down again. You get
Yes.
that?
So
And then it tried going up, it could not reach this high point. It broke this lower point and then it came down again. Now this is a trending market and is what you want to be trading it. You get where
yes,
it will continue. If it is going down, it means it will keep forming lower points. Then it cannot go to the previous high. It will break this low point and form another low point. It cannot go to the previous high. It will break this low point and go to another low point. You get? So it keeps going down like that. You get? So if it came down here, it could not go up here. It broke it and came. You could not go up. You can enter from here and you put your stop loss. You get? So I can decide to say, let me enter at this point. You get? And then put my stop loss to be just above this point. You get? Now, for any time you are entering the market, target a minimum of 1:2 your risk to reward. So if you are risking $50, make sure that you are earning $100 on that $50. Not that when you enter the market, you see a profit of $10 or $20, you are happy, then you exit. But at first you risk 50, which means if the market had gone against you, it will take that $50. It doesn't have pity. You get that?
Yeah.
So it means that you can't enter for a market like the way it is like this. You see, from here to here is wider, right?
Yes, than the green side.
Than the green side. So you just entered, you reached 100, then it started going in your favor. As soon as it reached this point and you saw that it's $20 that you had, you just exit. You say, you are happy that you have made money. You have not made money. If you trade like that, you will never make money in the Forex market. You won't make money. So what you need to do is to allow it to give you a minimum of what? 1 to 2, which means that if I'm risking $100, I should get $200 on it, or more than one time that amount. You get? This is for a downtrend.